Okay. So I'm doing this layout of my niece. And this is my fourth layout. And of course, here comes the cat. Swear he knows as soon as I hit the record button. He is my boy, I tell you what. I am in my scrapbook room and he is all up for attention because he kind of pretty much sticks to my scrapbook room. He'll come out and see me in the living room when he's hungry at feeding time, or come cuddle with me in the chair if I'm by myself. Um, Otherwise, he sticks to my scrapbook room if Alex and Mateo are home. I don't know why, but he does. So, like right now, he's curled up on my lap, asleep. But anyway, so the black cardstock is from the cardstock add-on kit. That floral layer is Hip Kit Club's Fiesta Vibes by Kim Watson, called Floral Fantasy. And it has that, I was kind of torn, like, I like the floral for this layout, but gosh, I sure do like that other side too. But I decided to go with the floral. And this one is when my nieces and my nephew, her brother and sisters, had their softball games. She would play in the sandbox. In this particular, this is her playing in the dirt. And it's called Girl in Her Dirt. So I have that green floral, small pieces of it. So I decided to make it look like it goes all the way across the page behind my photos, but in reality, we know it don't. But no one needs to know. It's a secret. Okay, and so, and that green strip is from Crepe Paper, the October kits. I was hoping to get all caught up on my kits. I have March I'm working on, April's sitting in queue, and I just got an email saying, hey, order your May. So I know what I'm going to order from May, which kits. So I'm using those stickers are from the Echo Park Hat Over Heels. I'm using the flares from my stash. I use some clear heart stickers, which are Freckle Fawn. And that Polaroid is from the Silhouette store. It was something that I have a pencil box of die cuts that I have cut that I use here and now and then. And so this is that now or then, and I'm using them. Okay, so and those tags, those die cuts, I don't think I wrote down. Oh, yep, the die cuts are Crepe Paper's main squeeze. So I'm using some of those. Right, Patton. Ooh. He's laying on his back in my arms. Like you hold a baby to look and talk to him. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're silly. Yeah. He's awesome cat. I have no problems out of him. Not that I have out of Reese, but she can be a pain because she likes to go outside. So she meows at the door. I don't let her out till it's daylight out because I don't want her out on the... She pretty much sticks around the house. She'll hang out in the woods behind the house and sleep, and then she'll come out and sun herself. So, I mean, she's not a bad cat. She's just annoying. So I'm going to add my title now. So Girl is Hip Kit Club Summer Bliss Alpha stickers, and is October Afternoon Daily Flash, which are old as dirt. I've had those forever. Her is Hip Kit Club Alpha stickers, and Dirt is American Crafts Charm stickers. I get all these stickers and phrase stickers in the kits each month, and then a lot of times I use the die cuts to serve as my title. So I decided I need to stop doing that and start using my stickers, because I'm kid you not, I probably have 50 of them things that I need to start using. I need to tell Mateo start scrapbooking. He kind of quit scrapbooking with me. He scrapbooked the other day by himself, and I need to tell him, here, make a title using these stickers. Because that's not even my own stash. I have two drawers full of stickers. So, and I get them in the kit, so those are the ones I keep out, and I have them in a bag, and that one of the big bags that the kits come in, and it's getting to be too full. Not much more will fit in there. So anyway, that completes this layout. When I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.